Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakalai terek unai weng ka 100-fold Academy rengkat ke Jinghikai bat ka Arya Wat Education Trust na Bangalore. Kila pelong ya ke Lympung Jinghikai ya ki kena Pule jong ki skol ba prepare ki ba nakani ganong ba ya ke balatep kum ka fun train your brain workshop. Hakani ke Lympung Jinghikai ke bala pelong St. Anthony's College kumba khandros pa ngot ki kena na ki arpotuli ki school ki badan hakani ganong ba kilawan bani simenta. Kireu Shampang ki balawan ban Jinghikai hakani kasngi ki kentop yo Aaron NG Vettel na Singapore ubala hikai kambania halor kumno ban penklan ya ke bor perkhat bat ban kenmau. Nang tau director ka 100-fold Academy uba sani maulong ubala penslor bat ai mensie mi ki Samla Pule bekintep yala ka jong kolong renyang bat ka bor kenang bakinla banjiet ya ka kam ka bakimon bantre.
आज आप सभी लोग जो आज विद्यार्थी हैं कल आपके ऊपर बहुत बड़ा जवाब नहीं मिलने वाला है और ये आपको इस बात को सोचते हुए अपनी पढ़ाई करना है कि अपने जीवन में बहुत आगे बढ़ना है। अभी आपने देखा पर्सनालिटी कैसे डेवलप और ये ज्ञान इसके लिए जरूरी है। अभी यहाँ पर एक एलिफेंट का चित्र लगाया गया और एक अंधा व्यक्ति जो नहीं समझ पाया तो अलग अलग कोई पैर को देखता है तो कुछ कहता है, कान को देखता है कहता है कि फैन है, उसको वजन को देखता है कहता दीवार है। इसी प्रकार जब तक कि आप लोग समझ नहीं पाएंगे तब तक आपको पता नहीं चलेगा हमें क्या करना है। लेकिन जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ करना है और इसके लिए आगे बढ़ना है। इन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको काम करना है। लेकिन जिंदगी हमेशा ये जो शिक्षा कहा गया ज्ञान प्राप्त करना, हमेशा ज्ञान प्राप्त करते रहना। बुढ़ापा तक भी लोग ज्ञान प्राप्त करते हैं, बहुत सी जानकारी लेते रहते हैं। इसीलिए इस बात को आप विद्यार्थी लोग हैं, आपको हमेशा ध्यान में रखना चाहिए।
I want to ask you a simple question. Now you're all at 12th standard. You have a big responsibility. Another 3 years you're going to be in college. You're going to have the best year of your life. And after that, you're going to be taking up responsibilities, go around the globe, have a great career. That's right. Now, when you ask a very simple, I would like to ask a very simple question to all of you. Or if you were to be asking this question to some of your friends, what would be the answer? The question is very simple. Would you like to become successful? You see, that's a spontaneous answer that everybody gives out. When you ask somebody if you want to become successful, there's a spontaneous yes. Now, does anybody say, hey, no man, I don't want to become successful? Nobody says that. Everybody in this world has a desire to become very, very successful. But then tell me, does everybody become successful? No. Very few people become successful. But everybody's got that intensity or they got the desire that they need to become successful in life. But then what is the reason? Now, all of you might be having access or would be having access to the right educators, to good schools, you have good upbringings, but then very few people become successful. Now, why is that? Why is that a majority of people are not able to taste the sweet word of success? Why is it? Anybody here? Come on. They don't work hard. So people who succeed work very hard and the others work hardly. Yeah. Good. But why is it that some people work real hard but the others don't have the drive or the determination to work hard? Why is that? Or you could give me give me some more answers as well. You could be telling me that they are not motivated enough. They don't have the enthusiasm. A lot of answers could come up. But my question is, why are they lacking these traits? Why are they lacking the drive? Due to laziness. Why are they lazy?